Good morning, hog racers. Today, I would like to share to you our newly delivered piglets. Meron po tayong good problem this morning kasi yung inahin po natin na supposedly yung June is September 22. Ngayon lang siya nanganak. And guess what? She gave birth to 17 piglets all alive. Pero po yung problem po dito is yung available na didi na ma-cater lang ng inahing baboy. So, if you have any suggestions, if you had encountered this kind of problems before, please write down your comments and suggestions below. It is very much appreciated kasi ngayon lang po namin ito naranasan and siya lang po yung nanganak na baboy and di po namin siya matransfer yung ibang piglets, ibang inahin kasi nga hindi pa nanganak. Naka-schedule pa yung iba next month, the following month, and the following month. So, malabo talaga na meron tayong mailipat na mga biik. So, ito po siya. Yung ginawa po namin is dinivide po namin siya into 2. Bale, ito pong mga piglets na to hindi pa siya nakadide. No? Bale, yung nasa loob po ng kahon na yon is nakadidi na siya, tapos yung second batch hindi pa. So the problem kasi dito sa inahin namin is bihira lang siya nagpapadidi, bali per hour lang. So dapat talagang hihintayin ng second batch na magpapadidi yung inahin. So if you have any suggestions, please, I really appreciate it para matulungan namin yung ibang piglets na hindi ma-accommodate ng inahin. As you can see guys, napaka-healthy po ng mga biik. And hoping na mag-survive po lahat sila with your help. So guys, please, I need your help. If you have any suggestions, anong gagawin sa pangabiik na ito for them to survive kasi kulang yung didi ng inahin. So ito po yung first batch na nakapagdidi na, tapos yung nasa labas yan, hindi pa yan sila nakadidi. So nahihirapan kasi sila kasi kulang yung didi ng inahin. Normally kasi guys, yung biik na binibigay niya is more or less na nasa mga 10 to 12 piglets lang. First time din kasi niya ito na magkaroon ng 17 piglets. So ayan po. So ito po yung first batch, ay yung biik namin nung nakaraan, at ito po yung update ng farm namin. So thank you for watching guys.